Hey there, curious little explorers. Have you ever looked up, way, way up at the big, beautiful sky and wondered, why is it blue? It's a question that pops into our heads sometimes, isn't it? Like, why isn't it green, or pink, or maybe even purple? Imagine you have a box of the most amazing crayons you've ever seen. This box has all the colors of the rainbow and even more. Now, the light from the sun, the big, bright star in the sky, is like that box of crayons. It looks white to us, but it's actually made up of all the colors mixed together: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. When sunlight travels all the way to our Earth, it has to pass through something very special: our atmosphere. Our atmosphere is like a giant invisible blanket of air all around us. This blanket is made of tiny, tiny little pieces called molecules. They're so small we can't even see them. Now here's where the magic happens. When the sunlight bumps into these tiny air molecules, something amazing happens. The light gets scattered, which means it bounces off in all different directions. But not all colors bounce the same way. The blue light is like a super bouncy ball. It bounces around much more than the other colors. Think of it like this. Imagine you're throwing lots and lots of tiny little sprinkles into the air. Some of the sprinkles might fall straight down, but some will get blown all over the place. The blue light from the sun is like those sprinkles that get blown everywhere. It spreads all across the sky. So when we look up, we see all that scattered blue light from the sun bouncing around. That's what makes our sky look so wonderfully blue. Isn't that neat? It's like the sky is painted with light every single day. And you know what's even cooler? Sometimes when the sun is setting or rising, the sky can turn all sorts of beautiful colors, like orange and pink. That's because the sunlight has to travel through even more of that air blanket, and the blue light gets scattered away even more, leaving the other colors for us to see. So the next time you look up at the blue sky, you can remember that it's all thanks to the sun's light playing a game of tag with the tiny air molecules all around us. Keep asking questions, little explorers, because the world is full of amazing wonders, just waiting for you to discover them. Have a wonderful day.
Why Kids Wonder Stories? See you next time!